Hello, this is Patrick with a quick walkthrough video demonstrating the steps necessary to assign devices to students. Please keep in mind that since I'm a district admin user in TIPWeb-IT, you may see options available on my screen during this walkthrough that are not available on yours. If you ever have questions about your access, please reach out to Terry Neitz, our inventory specialist in the technology office. For this walkthrough, I'm logged into Western Middle School, but the platform should look the same for any school in our district. First, I want to ensure that you know how to print scannable sheets of student barcode IDs. Start by selecting Students in the top navigation menu. Here is where you'll find a filterable list of all the students assigned to your building in Skyward, as well as information related to the assets they are assigned. To print scannable sheets of student barcode IDs, you're going to select the Report drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner and select Barcode IDs. TIPWeb-IT will pull the barcode IDs for any student displayed in the filter. Want to print a report of students only in 6th grade? You can do that by selecting 06 in the grade column and running the report again. You'll see that you only have students in the grade selected in the barcode report. Need to see all students again? Simply clear out the filter and run the report again. Having a printed list of student barcode IDs will provide you a scannable list of students to help speed up the process of searching for and assigning devices to students. To assign a device to a student, you start by clicking the Issue to Students link in the Site Tools menu on the left side of the screen. There are a couple of ways to enter students and information in the screen depending upon whether or not you use the barcode scanner or not. I'll walk you through both ways. Because I printed my student barcode IDs, I'm going to use a barcode scanner to scan in a student ID I want to assign the device to. You'll notice that TIPWeb-IT automatically saved the student information in the field and advanced me to the tag serial field. And because I have the device I want to assign to the student here with me, I'm also going to scan the asset tag of that device. After scanning, you'll see that TIPWeb-IT automatically saves the assignment to the student and clears the form so that you're ready for the next student device assignment. There may be times, especially during our initial assignment, when we don't have student barcode IDs or asset tags to scan and we need to enter this data manually. TIPWeb-IT uses each student's Skyward alpha key as their student ID, which you may not have available to enter. To search for a student, click on the binoculars icon to the right of the student ID field. And use the filters to find the student you would like to assign the device to and click Select. You can then enter the tag or serial number of the device you want to assign to this student. TIPWeb-IT will automatically populate the available asset tags as you type. When you find the device you want to assign, click the Save floppy disk to the right of the device. Please keep in mind that this next step is not necessary if assigning devices that were already picked up by a parent who signed a paper receipt. However, it is required for all new device pickups moving forward to ensure distribution receipts are signed and captured within TIPWeb-IT. Once the device is assigned to the student, select Full Distribution Receipt from the Reports menu. We have included important information on the receipt, including acknowledgement of the District Acceptable Use Policy and understanding of the family's responsibility to care for the device in the child's possession. The receipt should include a picture of the device being assigned, a listing of any accessories, such as chargers or cables, that are assigned with it, as well as the associated value of the device if it needs to be replaced by the district. To capture the parent signature, click on the Sign Receipt link at the bottom of the form to bring up a virtual signature pad that can be signed by the parent using their finger on an iPad screen, a signature pad attached to a computer, or even a mouse or trackpad if that's all that's available. Once the parent has signed, it is saved by clicking the Accept signature, and you will see that the PDF distribution receipt updates with the signature captured and the date added. Once signed, we want to email that receipt to the student and parent by clicking on the Email Receipt link at the bottom of the form. Student and parent email addresses will automatically populate from data we have in Skyward. I recommend confirming the parent email address with the parent before sending, but do not suggest checking the Update Email Record box in TIPWeb-IT. If an email address is incorrect for a parent, that correction should occur in Skyward, which will then be carried over to TIPWeb-IT during the nightly update. Updating in TIPWeb-IT alone will not update the record in Skyward, as the sync between Skyward and TIPWeb-IT only goes in one direction, from Skyward to TIPWeb-IT, not the other way around. Once you've emailed the receipt, you can close out of the distribution receipt and you're ready to add another record. That concludes the video walkthrough demonstrating how to assign devices to students. If you have any trouble during the implementation, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, Terry Neitz in the Technology Office, or the support folks at Hay Software Solutions.